Hi mga gala, Judy here. So this video is not your usual video. So right now, welcome to my studio craft room. As you can see, everything is a mess. So currently I am setting up this room as my craft room and my studio. So as you know, I am now creating my own notebook, and you can also order personalized notebook if you want. So for now, I haven't launched my stationery, I would say stationery merchandise. So stay tuned in for that. So as you can see, this room is not supposed to be a craft room or even a studio room. So this is supposed to be, as if you're following my vlog, this is supposed to be a room. Like it has beds and cabinets. But currently, this setup is um, not according to our plan. So this room, I am converting it as my craft studio room. This is where I normally record my videos, my video lessons. So now, as you can see, I am setting up everything. My machine is there, my cutter is here, and then the beds, some of the beds are here. So it is messed up. It's a bit messy, not mess up. It's a bit messy as of this video. So hopefully guys, I can tour you when everything is settled and arranged. So I'm still learning how to do things, still learning. To be honest, I'm still learning. And here is where I normally work. I normally put my laptop here. So this is this is a small room. If you're following my the construction of this building, if you want to see the construction of this building, I have that in my videos. Just go to my profile page, my YouTube channel page. You can see it there. So right now I am quite busy behind the scene. So here I purchased this I would say cardboard how do you say this, cardboard sheet. Okay, so because I've been looking for a specific size of box that will be lighter on the shipping, so that you guys won't have to pay higher shipping charges. So I'm actually looking for a specific cardboard box. So I bought this one in Mandaue. So good thing I have somebody I can call on to where I can buy this one. So this one is per sheet is actually about 50 plus something. So I will be making my own box. So I think that will be easier for me to adjust the box for the international shipping. So yes, I will be shipping internationally, so stay tuned for that. So right now guys, this is the update behind the scene. So everything is really messy as of this video. So guys, please stay tuned in for my launching of my stationaries. I hope you guys will support me as usual. You guys have been there. Some of you have been with me for the past 4 years. Daghang salamat kaayo. So that's all for today mga gala. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!